The video game world is losing talent fast. Layoffs are hitting hard and AI fears are skyrocketing. What does this mean for your favorite games and gamers worldwide? In the first quarter of 2026, the video game industry saw massive layoffs with major players like Epic Games letting go of 800 employees and Ubisoft cutting 1,200 jobs. This wave of job losses is the largest in years, shaking the foundation of game development teams worldwide. The cuts are driven by declining game sales and increased development costs, signaling a harsh market correction that threatens the stability of many studios. Beyond layoffs, a growing fear is spreading among game developers. AI. Advanced AI tools are now capable of generating game art, writing scripts, and even coding, which worries many in creative and technical roles. This anxiety is contributing to an exodus as talented developers leave to seek job security elsewhere. Companies like Unity and Electronic Arts are investing heavily in AI, intensifying concerns about the future of human-driven game design. The talent leaving the gaming industry tends to be seasoned developers, artists, and designers with years of experience. Surveys show many are switching to more stable sectors like tech giants and traditional entertainment, where AI integration is seen as a tool rather than a threat. This brain drain could slow innovation and impact the quality of upcoming games, making this a critical moment for studios to rethink retention strategies. In response to the crisis, several studios are emphasizing the irreplaceable value of human creativity. For instance, Rockstar Games announced new programs to support developers, creative input, and mental health. Others, like Nintendo, are investing in hybrid work models to retain talent. The industry is at a crossroads, balancing AI adoption with preserving the human touch that makes games unique. For gamers, these talent shifts mean potential delays in game releases and possibly lower quality as fewer experienced hands remain. Innovation may slow as studios grapple with workforce reductions and AI integration. However, some new independent developers are emerging, using AI as a tool to create fresh experiences. The gaming landscape is rapidly evolving, and your favorite franchises might feel the impact sooner than you think. This talent exodus means your favorite games could change dramatically. Delays, quality shifts, and style changes are likely. Whether you're a gamer or aspiring creator, staying informed and adaptable is key. Subscribe now to Daily Q&A for the latest updates on this evolving story and what it means for you.